Hi, I'm Charlotte, and you're in the kitchen with HEB. Today we're gonna make Easter Hop Tarts. So we're gonna start by placing both pieces of puff pastry on a floured surface. Using a cookie cutter, you're gonna press out 12 bunny shapes and place 6 on your prepared cookie sheet. Set the remaining 6 cutouts aside. You're gonna brush each cutout with egg wash. This acts as a glue to help seal the tarts. Now sprinkle each bunny equally with cheese and chopped ham. Top each bunny with a second piece of puff pastry. Finish off with a bit more egg. Bake your Hop Tarts for 10 to 15 minutes in a 400-degree oven or until they're nice and golden brown and heated through. For this and other delicious recipes, visit heb.com/recipes.